Hey, how are we doing on our 60 minutes?
I don't know. I had it written down. I must have lost the paper. We need to get organized. Hey, I've got it. We'll make a chart. Days go this way, and activities go this way.
Oh, that makes it easier to track.
Today's Sunday. What have we done so far?
Well, we walked up all those steps to the top of the pyramid.
Took about 15 minutes, right?
Right. 10 minutes to outrun Hacker in Pyramidia.
15 minutes ski time in Panguilla.
Another 10 to paddle to the glowing glacier.
Oh, plus 3 more minutes of running to get away from Hacker in Panguilla. So that's 13 minutes of running in total.
Oh, and 10 more riding on the dog sled.
Oh, sorry. That doesn't count.
Why not? The dogs were running.
Exactly. The dogs were running, not us. Only counts if we get our hearts pumping.
Ah, got it. So let's add up the minutes. How many today?
53.
But you said we needed 60, so we're short 7 minutes.
You're right. Get up.
Are you kidding?
Do I look like I'm kidding? Come on, we can reach our goal.
Okay. How many? More.
Nothing like a brisk climb up a mountain to start your day.
And it took about 30 minutes to get up here. Add it to our chart.
All we need is another 30, and we have the whole day to get it done.
Awesome.
Here comes the sun. Get ready, Matt.
Ready. Got him! Motherboard, here we come.
Nice try, Earth Rats, but no encrypt chip for you.
That's what you think.
Unhand me, you impudent imp!
Game over, Hacker.
Get away from me!
The sunbeam!
My wing!
Got him!
Pull me up! You dust buckets! Pull me up!
Way to go,
was
Scanner.
awesome! But you lost your game. What about being a windbender?
As someone once said to me, what's more important, being a windbender or saving Motherboard?
Glad you've got your priorities straight. Oh, that reminds me. You just added 3 minutes of physical activity.
How?
Stopping Hacker.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.